Hi, my name is Arianny. I'm part of Cohort 13 here at BCU with RTR. And next year, my first year teacher, I'm going to be going into 5th grade elementary school.
And hi, I'm Madison Gaskins. I'm also part of Cohort 13. I'm going to be teaching 4th grade. And something that I really enjoyed about RTR was that being able to have this friendship with Arianny and build friendships with my mentor, it was really important to me because I really needed that support. I'm from Northern Virginia, so when I came to Richmond, I didn't know that many people. So Arianny was someone that really helped me out during that time.
Yeah, I think to add to that would just be relationships. So the friendship me and Madison had, like, for my mental health, it was important to have somebody to support me, like that was my age and like knowing the classes we were going through. And then the relationship I had with my mentor was amazing. I didn't think I could build like a friendship with somebody that is like older than me and wiser, but I did, and she helped me like love teaching more than I already did. And then she helped me love the school I'm going to be working at, and then also like just building the connections, I think was like the best part of RTR.